Have you ever added something to your cart, only to see the shipping cost and think, wait, why is it so expensive? You're not alone. Shipping rates can feel confusing, but they actually follow a simple formula. In this video, we'll break down exactly how shipping rates are calculated. First, let's look at what drives the price. Carriers like UPS, FedEx, USPS, and DHL usually base their rates on 5 main factors. They are weight, dimensions, distance, service speed, and extras. Now let's quickly break these down. Number 1, weight. Heavier packages naturally cost more. Number 2, dimensions. Large but lightweight packages can still be expensive because of dimensional weight. Number 3, distance. The farther your package travels, the higher the cost. Number 4, service speed. Faster options like overnight or 2-day delivery are pricier than ground. Number 5, extras. Add-ons such as insurance, tracking, or delivery signatures will increase the final rate. So now that we know the factors, how do you actually calculate shipping costs? There are 3 main ways, and each has its pros and cons. Carrier websites. You can go directly to USPS, UPS, FedEx, or DHL's websites, enter your package details, and get a rate instantly. This is accurate but can be time-consuming if you want to compare across multiple carriers. Multi-carrier calculators. Tools like ReachShip or Shippo let you enter your package information once, and they'll show you rates from several carriers side by side. This is a faster way to compare and choose the cheapest or fastest option. E-commerce integrations. If you're running an online store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, you can integrate shipping plugins that automatically pull real-time rates from carriers and display them at checkout. This not only helps you calculate costs but also improves the customer experience by showing transparent shipping prices. Let's walk through a quick example using ReachShip's free multi-carrier calculator. First, enter the package details, size, weight, and the origin and destination addresses. Next, click on Calculate Rates, and within seconds, ReachShip pulls in real-time prices from multiple carriers, all side by side. This makes it super easy to see the cheapest, fastest, or most reliable option without jumping between different websites. And that's it, you now know how shipping rates are calculated. The good news? With multi-carrier tools and even carrier websites, you can always compare and pick the best option. If this video helped clear things up, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and simple shipping tips.